Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the hottest tech gadgets you need in your life. Today, we're talking about what might just be the best portable Bluetooth speaker waterproof outdoor use, the newly upgraded 2025 outdoor Bluetooth speakers with flame lights from hesontec. Whether you're hosting a garden dinner, camping under the stars, or chilling poolside, this is the one device you didn't know you needed. This speaker is sleek, stylish, and doubles as a garden light with a warm, realistic flame effect. It blends into your decor while turning heads with its glowing personality. It even has 3 lighting modes: a cozy flickering flame, a calming breathing light, and a steady bright light, giving you control over your ambiance with a tap. And when it comes to portability, it's extremely versatile. Use the ergonomic handle to carry it. Hang it using the included S-hook, mount it on a wall with the screws, or simply stick it into the ground with the included stake. Looks aside, let's talk sound. The hesontec outdoor speaker is packing 10 watts of power in a 360-degree HD stereo configuration. What does that mean? Crisp highs, deep lows, and immersive audio no matter where you're standing. It fills up your space with rich sound, making it perfect for group gatherings or solo relaxation. It connects via Bluetooth 5.3, one of the latest versions, giving you a stable, lag-free connection up to 50 feet away. You won't have to worry about dropouts or delays while you're streaming your favorite music or podcast. Now here's where it gets wild: multi-sync mode. You can pair up to 100 of these speakers. Yes, you heard that right, 100. Imagine the surround sound effect across your patio, garden, or event space. Total immersion. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue or a full-on outdoor party, this feature lets you scale your sound effortlessly. Battery life is another win. It comes with a 2000 mAh battery, offering anywhere from 5 to 12 hours of playtime depending on your volume settings. That's a full evening of light and music with no interruptions. And charging is simple. Just plug it in and you're ready for your next session. And don't worry about the weather. With its IPX6 waterproof rating, this speaker can handle splashes, rain, and even the occasional drink spill. It's built tough for the outdoors, from the garden to the poolside and everything in between. This is the ideal gadget gift for dad, her, him, or even yourself. It's great for birthdays, holidays, or housewarming presents. It's one of those rare gadgets that's both practical and delightful, functional and fashionable. Whether you're into tech or just want a cool addition to your space, this checks all the boxes. And just in case you're wondering about post-purchase peace of mind, you're covered. A fusion of form, function, and festive vibes. This speaker isn't just about sound, it's about experience. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more product deep dives every week. Drop a comment below if you'd use this speaker at your next party, and let us know what product you want us to critique next. Until next time, this is Product Critique, where we test it so you don't have to. See you in the next one.